I want to show you guys something really cool. Well, first off, the truck back seat is not insane yet, and I've got a solution this time. You guys know how insane my back seat looks on my road trips. I just have bags stacked from the bottom of the seat all the way to the ceiling, just on top of each other. Anytime I need something in the middle, I have to pull a bunch of bags out to get to the bottom bag. And I've got this awesome solution. I'm honestly so excited about this. What I did is I sat down with a pen and paper and I designed what I feel would be a box situation with drawers for the back seat that would work awesome. And I hit up this company called Camp & Car, and they were down to actually make me the boxes using my design. And it's awesome. Here they are. They just came in the mail. Cannot tell you guys how excited I am to get these in the truck. Not only do they store stuff and they're secure, they lock also, so get a safe place to keep stuff. So the boxes perfectly fit the width of my rear seat, and they're nice and tall, so you get a bunch of storage inside of them. And this top box, this thing opens up in between the seats, so I thought this is really cool. So you're sitting up in your driver's seat up here, and it can keep stuff in there. Close it, and you can lock it up also. And these lower boxes right here, you just open up the rear door of the vehicle, and the drawers open. The problem with having super long drawers that pull out is they would hit the door of the car because your door only swings so far open. So what you do, you can open it about a foot and then you hit the door. But if you need to get way to the back, you can reach back there anyway. It's enough room, but you can also slide this forward, pop that off, and you have access to the back of the drawer just in case. But I shouldn't have to do that. So, pretty rad. Over here, these are attachments for the seat belts to run through. So you just take the rear bench seat belts, run them through there, and it locks the box down, secures it. They're super strong. You could stand on top of these, so I can put other bags on top of all this stuff in boxes. The big thing is, if I need to get to any stuff down low, it'll be in here. I can just come and access it with all the stuff on top. So hopefully this helps clean it up back there. Anyway, huge shout out to Camp & Car. Thank you guys so much for building these boxes. If you guys want to check out their stuff, they make a lot of cool storage solutions for the road, like sleeping platforms, different boxes for trucks, car camping, and stuff like that. Anyway, we're gonna get these loaded, strap them down, and start packing for the road trip. Perfect fit. Yep, the straw will come right out here. Oh man, nice. Yeah, you get like, I assumed it only come like 10 inches out, but it came like over a foot. Yeah, that's awesome. That's yeah, so you won't even need to remove the top to get under there. That is legit.
That is game changer.
Uh-huh. Excuse the mess, but we got them in. We're getting the truck all cleaned out for the road trip right now. There they are. Pretty rad, dude. Like I was saying, they're held in by the seat belts back here. You just click it like that, let it pull the box all the way against the back seat. Not going anywhere. Like I was saying, the doors only swing open so wide, so I can pull them out about a foot and I can totally access the back of the box standing right here. I thought I wasn't going to be able to access it, so the top also removed so you can access it that way. Pretty awesome, dude. Super strong, so I can set more gear up on top of that and still be able to get to my lower gear. And like I was saying, the high box right here, I can be sitting in my seat, still access my box right there, so it slides out in between the seats perfectly, locks back into place. So keep it nice and clean back there and just make it way more organized, make it so I can get stuff faster. I didn't engineer the boxes, but I went in, took the measurements of exactly what would work in that space, how much room I had to slide the drawers out, stuff like that, and they were able to create those. So thank you guys so much, man.